Everybody, this is Oscar. Let me welcome you with the prices right now. We have good news finally. It's been a while. I'm talking 10% up, Ethereum 11% up, and Bitcoin 8, almost 9% up. So you bought it in a couple days ago when they were bloody down. Finally, of course, you're making some money in the short term, right? For us, some of us, we bought it 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents. I'm token related, and we're still down, but dollar cost average DCA, I think that's what's going to win the game in the long term. In this video, I'm going to be talking about AMP token price predictions, how I see it in the future. We talked yesterday why cryptocurrency was down, giving you some ideas as far as the government, not only in China banning cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, but of course in general that affects everyone. So in the end, how things are going to be moving forward, I think that's all going to affect the price of AMP token. Why? Well, if Bitcoin is down, I'm talking, and the rest of these beauties are gonna be down. Just take a look at this. Once this one is up and this one is up, everyone will follow. Even Polygon at 31%, so that's awesome. These are the great stuff. You have the more regulated and more known Bitcoin that will move less in volatility, but the altcoins are the ones that are beating all expectation, and that is awesome. That's what we talk in the channel, everyone. Stocks, growth, IRA, and cryptocurrencies, long-term growth, little by little. So please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Thank you very much. To start with the AMP token price predictions and to give you all the answers very early in the video, I still see the price of AMP token passing 10, 15 cents by the end of the year. Let me go ahead and show you this very quickly. Now, about here is the end of 2021, and this is what we've seen so far: an all-time high of 12 cents and an all-time low of 2 cents about that, and the price right now is 4 cents, getting to hopefully 5 cents soon. We need to climb back up. There's no more Coinbase listing, there's no more Gemini listing, there's not really more any other big exchange listing. So what else is there for AMP token? Well, in my personal opinion, people are staking their AMP tokens. There's more people buying AMP token right now because it's gaining more popularity. If I go back to Coinbase and I click here on AMP token, you're gonna see that it's now the 8th most held. It was the 9, I believe. Remember still when it was the 11th, the 15th, the 20th, but now it's the 8th. So people are getting to know AMP token right now. That's cool. I mean, it's cheap for some people. They see it as a 5-cent coin. Let me buy 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. I've met those people through my chat and through my lives, and they're awesome. They're great. Looking for the long term. But you also have your detractors saying AMP is garbage, it's trash. Shut up. You don't know what you're talking about. Love you too. You can express all your opinions freely. So what I think is the following: in all this time, everyone, we've had this downtrend, 1, 2, and this uptrend, right? By definition, looking at how the MACD is doing, still they haven't crossed. The RSI is below the medium band. I see one way for AMP token, and that way is up. That way is up. Look, we were here in May, and bam, and that was a Coinbase listing, and just more people buying. I mean, the more people buy, the wells buy, the higher the price, right? Right here, sell off a little bit, but then still people are holding on and they're staking and they're holding AMP token. Nice, like that. Everyone, as soon as Bitcoin starts going up, as soon as the crypto market starts gaining more traction, what? Well, as I discussed yesterday, the U.S. government is trying to create a CBDC, central bank currency, and that, of course, will incentivize more people to be entering into the crypto market. Well, I mean, the awareness is going to be there. More people will be open to try something because it's going to be from the Federal Reserve. More chances are. I mean, that's highly likely. So that being said, the future, easy, early future by the end of the year, if it's higher than 10 cents AMP token, I think we're still good. I think that's still a win. This is 12 cents. If we're anywhere somewhere here by the end of 2021, I mean, honestly, I'm already very happy. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm very happy. The bear scenario that I calculated with some of my community members in during a live stream was around 6 cents. So which still is above the price that we're seeing right now. I don't think, this is my personal opinion, right? Non-financial advice, by the way, of course. I don't think Altcoin will continue, going down to 2 cents or 1 cent. I don't see that happening. We still have this possibility, and that's there's always a chance that that could be a reality. But by the way I see things, and by the way I see Bitcoin and Ethereum related to Token, hopefully things are gonna be starting to clear up, but it will take some time. I don't see, by September or October or August even, that we're gonna be climbing still to 8-9 cents. But I really want to see in the upcoming bull market, when Bitcoin finally comes back to $50,000-$60,000 even, that will be the area where the Token will be now surfacing, getting close to 10 plus cents. That's the way I see with everything that's happening right now. Another important concept, guys, for you to know is the crypto fear and greed index. At this time is 10, which is, in this language, is going to be extreme fear. Now, yesterday, last week, and last month. And this is the chart for you to see. When it's very high, I mean, of course, there's not greed, there's not fear, but greed. And when it's low, it's actually fear. So, I mean, how will you manage the risk for your own personal investments? Well, just take a look at this quote. I will teach you how to become rich, right? Close the doors, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful, by Warren Buffett. With that, I say, it's very difficult to go against the grain when people are fearful, when they're doubting, when there's detractors. If you're not very well rounded with investing, that wouldn't make sense to you, right? But the reasons why these men are so wealthy is because they think in the future, and they put money when there's blood on the streets. Another one, the stock market is a wonderful, efficient mechanism transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient. So with that, I mean, guys, if you're not willing to wait this time to maybe see 15 cents Token, then probably go somewhere else, because that's just not the way that this is gonna work. If you think that Bitcoin is going to be $100,000 by the end of the year, I see that hard from happening. But in the future, 3 to 5 years, I absolutely believe that. And there's people who have greater bull case scenarios than I do. So it's all about patience. And in all, cryptocurrencies right now, as I explained yesterday, right? Governments are trying to regulate it. Some of them are trying to ban it. And other governments like El Salvador are embracing cryptocurrencies. They're saying, you're welcome. We want you. Let's actually use you as a currency. And well, that's just for you to understand and analyze. The dollar day by day is losing money. But how about Bitcoin, right? How about gold? How about real estate? So diversification is key as well for your own and personal, growth. Last but not least, guys, Etherscan, the latest on Etherscan right now, the holders are still, holding strong. And some of them, from the latest Tuesday 20th to Wednesday today, 21st, I see the first decline on holders from Etherscan. Why? Well, going back to the crypto index, the fear, extreme fear. So right now, I'm sure that Token holders are seeing, the panic, the scenario with this coin, and they're like, oh boy, I may just stop holding. Let me just move somewhere else. And you will always have those kind of people. But I think best millionaires out there for Bitcoin that are driving Lambos and live in Dubai, they bought when it was very low, or sometimes at all-time highs. They held, and now look at them. They're now wealthy, and they're enjoying the luxuries of life. Holders sometimes win, especially if you shoot in good long-term investments. Everyone, that's what I wanted to tell you today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells. There's my Patreon link down below if you want to become part of the family. Talk to me on Discord, ask me any questions. And if you want to keep buying more cryptocurrencies and put those assets in an IRA so you don't pay taxes, check I Trust Capital link down below. I see you next time, everyone. Peace.